Welcome to the Drone Blocks DEXI build course. My name is Dennis Baldwin. I'm excited to have you come along on this journey. You'll see many of the components that will ship in your DEXI kit. And throughout this series of lessons, we'll be building this airframe. It's really a great, rugged airframe with awesome position hold and the ability to do autonomous flight, navigation using drone blocks built on top of ROS2. What this means is we have many nodes built on PX4 that will allow you to navigate and do some really interesting programmatic flight. I'll give a high-level overview of the components, and then in subsequent videos, we'll get into more specific details. So on the left, you'll see that we have an all-enclosed DEXI frame, a top plate and a bottom plate. The motors will be mounted in an inverted way, which gives us a better efficiency, and the fact that everything is enclosed will give you a sense of security, the ability to program and not worry too much about bumping into things. So that being said, as we build, we'll be working from the inside out. So you'll notice all of the hardware associated with the frame. We have the 35mm standoffs. That's the amount of separation that we have between the top and the bottom plates. We have our Radio Master Express LRS receiver. That will be paired with a Radio Master Pocket, which is a great little transmitter to get not only telemetry, but to be able to toggle into various flight modes. Our main board is provided by ARC Electronics. It's the ARC Pi V6 Flow. What this means is we have a Pixhawk 6X variant. We have the ability to mount the Raspberry Pi CM4 below. And then we have the ArcFlow optical flow sensor. This is, in my opinion, one of the best optical flow sensors that exists today, and it allows for great indoor and outdoor position hold. In addition to Pi CM4, we have the Raspberry Pi camera, which we'll be mounting and then getting a video stream directly to our web browser. You'll notice the Wi-Fi antenna, the DEXI software image will run on Pi CM4. It will broadcast a Wi-Fi network that you can connect to. You'll have full Q-ground control operation, as well as drone blocks, Python, and C++ programming. And finally, we have our 3D printed components. You'll receive these as part of the kit, a bunch of these, what we call talons, that will go around the edge of the frame for additional protection, as you will likely bump into things. And then we have what we call the Rolo, which sits on the bottom plate in the middle, provides some clearance above the ground, our battery tray, our Raspberry Pi camera mount. You'll notice that the tri-blade propellers, DEXI supports 5 to 5.5 inch. We provide 5.5 inch in the kit, which yields with this motor and power combination a flight time of anywhere between 15 to 18 minutes. We also have the LED ring, which will have a 3D printed mount. You'll be able to assemble the LEDs around the edge of the mount and have full programmatic control of each of the pixels. And then finally, everything can be completed with the provided tools of a 1.5mm driver and a 2mm driver. So that's an overview of the components. I'm excited to dive into this build with you. So please stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video.